Hi guys, so today we're looking at the 75% wireless mechanical keyboard from Royal Kludge, the RK84. If you're just looking for the sound test, you can go to the end of the video. Well, let's dive into it. The RK84 comes in two different colors, white and the black one. You also have the options to choose from the three basic switches, RK blue, brown and the red switches. I have the white one with the red switch which has 40 grams of actuation force. This keyboard is hot swappable, which means you can change the switches if you don't like the stock options. The keyboard is 12.5 inches across and 5 inches wide and weighs more than 800 grams. The keycaps are double shot ABS shine through, which I'm not a big fan of, but it still looks nice with all the RGB options that this board provides. Signal RGB claims that this keyboard is compatible with the board, however, it has major issues when you actually connect it to the software. The build is a strong plastic with detachable frame. The keyboard has two inbuilt USB 2.0 pass-through ports and a USB Type-C port for stable wired connection. You also get these detachable magnetic pad fit to change the usage angles. At the back of the board, you have the USB dongle and two switches for power and Bluetooth mode toggle respectively. The RK84 has three modes of connectivity: a 2.4 GHz USB dongle for wireless mode, a Bluetooth 5.1, and a stable USB Type-C connection. I have played games with all the connectivity options and I don't recommend playing games in wireless mode. There was a certain delay from time to time, so I ended up plugging in the USB-C cable for a stable gaming experience. It is compatible with Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android devices, and you can change between the connected devices seamlessly. All in all, it's a really good keyboard. The stabilizers are really good, it looks nice, and is a bang for the buck. So, I'll end the video with the sound test, and I'll see you again next time.